Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're talking about how to use ChatGPT's memorization and personalization feature. That's right, ChatGPT's been around since November 2022, and one of the biggest problems with AI and large language models is the fact that you aren't quite sure how to set up the right prompts, especially if it's dealing with things that you work with on a regular basis. Up until now, you would have to create convoluted prompts in order to get the information that you want. But now, with the memorization and personalization feature, you don't have to work that hard at prompts anymore because ChatGPT, you can modify it to work best for you. Now, let's take a dive in. For some of you who are like, well, I looked up ChatGPT, but I don't understand what the heck it is. Give you a brief background. So ChatGPT's been on the scene since November of 2022, and within a month had 1 million subscribers, which started off the chatbot race. Since then, ChatGPT has evolved to include things such as Dolly, which is their AI tool that allows you to create any type of image. Also, it has seen the inclusion of Sora, which is its ability to create images again within Sora, but AI created video. So any video that you see that is that's images, which is new. So any videos or images that you see now, you can attribute it to OpenAI and Sora, which is kind of a component of ChatGPT. Don't those videos look awesome? Some of them you can't really tell if it's AI. Others, people are like, oh, I knew that was AI in general. So that is the evolution of ChatGPT and Sora. But everyone pretty much knows that, yeah, if there's anything that you want to create with ChatGPT, you can do it. One of the things that people don't know about ChatGPT is that its database is ancient. Going back to the large language model of ChatGPT, there are a couple of features that have been included in ChatGPT in a few months, other than personalization. You have your internet search option, which if you are going to do a chat, you can say, I want you to search the internet, because its database, meaning ChatGPT's, is only as current as June of 2024. Now, with the internet search, you can get up-to-date and current information involved in your search. Also, you can click on the deep research thing where you can research the background to deliver a detailed report. So deep search is now enabled in ChatGPT. Now, one of the other things that we have to talk about, obviously, is the whole personalization process of ChatGPT. How does it work? Pretty darn simple, and let's get into that so that you can see how it works. Going back to our ChatGPT 4.0 screen, and forgot to mention that you've got scheduled task with ChatGPT 4.0, where you can ask it a task and then it will follow up later with the task. There's 4.5, and then of course you can go to 0.1 or 0.3, but let's concentrate on customizing ChatGPT. So if you go up to your icon in the upper right hand corner of ChatGPT, where your picture is for your account, go there, you'll get a drop down menu, and then you can go to customize GPT. Now, one of the great things about customizing ChatGPT is that just like you were instructed when you talk to chatbots to talk to it like a human, your chatbot with the customization of ChatGPT is going to talk to you just like a person. Before, it would sort of kind of collect information about you, but now it specifically knows who you are. Now, you can also go in and let's get back to our screen and give it information about what it is that you do. So depending on your career choices, you can go in and customize ChatGPT with information about yourself. Now, for the what do you do portion, I cheated and went to my LinkedIn profile and just copied my bio there because it includes everything and put it under ChatGPT. Another feature that you can do under the customization of ChatGPT is what traits should your chatbot have? Now, again, the whole idea behind GPT and its actual meaning, which is generative pre-trained transformer, is to ensure that you are able to talk to a chatbot like you would a person. And we all have our own personality traits and how we want specific things to interact with you. So the whole purpose around what traits should ChatGPT have is listed here. So mine is be talkative and conversational, use an encouraging tone, take forward thinking view, and have a traditional outlook. But you can see, you can make it chatty, witty, straight shooting, encouraging, Gen Z, skeptical, tradition. If we click this, it will cycle through some of those. Emphatic, pragmatic, direct, chill, thinking outside the box, and the list kind of goes on and on. Now, one other thing that I should point out as far as ChatGPT, you can customize it even further by putting more information as far as what you want ChatGPT know about you. If you have a preference of wanting long responses to your prompts, you can put it there. You can put more interest and values in this section here. If you see it under the or don't see it under the traits of what ChatGPT has, then you can definitely go in and personalize it and add even more. There's even an advanced section where you can enhance ChatGPT qualities. As you can see here with ChatGPT qualities, you can tell it that you want it to automatically search the web when you are customizing your ChatGPT. Also, if you are going to do a combination of text and images, you can tell it to include Dolly, which again is ChatGPT's image creation tool, into ChatGPT. If you are coding or a coder, you can either turn this option on and off. It is on by default. You can turn it off. Doesn't matter if you do. Same thing with the Canvas view. Collaborate with ChatGPT on text and coding. And then finally, the advanced voice feature, which is built into ChatGPT, you can go in and tell it to turn it on and to turn it off. If we cancel this and click on use voice mode, it will enable voice mode in ChatGPT, which will allow you to talk to your ChatGPT chatbot like you would a person. So it truly brings out the world of creating a chatbot that you can interact with like you would a person. Previously, the voice mode feature was only on the actual ChatGPT app. Uh-oh. I goofed up and clicked on voice mode. We don't want that because it wants access to the microphone that I am using to record this video. So again, voice mode helps activate that feature of talking to a computer like you would a human being. The good thing about personalization is the fact that it customizes your chatbot. The bad thing about personalization, you may be entering personal details thinking that your AI chatbot is only on your computer. But the thing that you have to remember with these large language models and chatbots is the fact that all of your information is being uploaded to the collective. Now, as far as customization is concerned, you can there's other things that you can modify in ChatGPT, and let's talk about those real quick. So if you go to settings, so we go back to our profile picture and then click on settings, you can actually look at what theme you want, dark or light, or you can do with your system, notifications from your chatbot, personalizations as far as customary instructions, reference saved memory. So again, ChatGPT is memorizing stuff. You can also go in and modify your main language and your speech voice. There's also the security aspect of ChatGPT, is that you want to enable two-factor or multi-factor authentication, or even log out of all of your apps. Two-factor authentication or multi-authentication is to prevent a criminal from getting access to your ChatGPT account. But again, under customized ChatGPT, which this video is focusing on, if you do not want ChatGPT to use any of the personalized information that you have included, there is an option, which is kind of below where the text or the closed captioning is. You can enable for new chats, or you can disable it, and that way personalization's not on, which means you may have to work with your chatbot a little harder to get it to understand you. But again, this is to your discretion as far as how you are going to use ChatGPT. So with that said, if you've got any comments or questions about ChatGPT's new personalization and memorization process, leave your comments in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you to find out if there's ways that I can help you with the customization of ChatGPT. Now, with every video, I hope that you can leave comments, like the video if you enjoyed it, and be sure to share it with your non-tech friends, because I know there's people out there that struggle with technology and want to be able to get use out of it without having to listen to a bunch of tech speak or geek speak when it comes to understanding how technology works. So my goal with every video is to open you up to a whole new world of ideas and experiences using your devices and gadgets. I love technology. I've read all the manuals, and I'm serious about making technology fun, safe, and easy to use for everyone. So take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. And thanks for watching.